Hello and welcome to Richmond Ford West. What we have here is the new 2019 Ranger. This is the Lariat trim, so this is top of the line. This is the double cab with the 5-foot bed. And it comes equipped with the 2.3 liter EcoBoost, good for 270 horsepower and 300 foot-pounds of torque. This Lariat is equipped with the FX4 package, which gives you a front bash plates, skid plates under the entire underside of the truck, upgraded shocks, and a locking rear differential. You can see the shocks right there, FX Performance tuned. There's your locking rear diff. Now these can be had with a tow package. This one does not have that. See the nice Ranger embroidered on the tailgate, just like the F-150 and Super Duty. This is the 5-foot bed, as this is the Super Crew. However, in the Super Cab, you can get a longer 6-foot bed, but this bed right here will do the job of most anything that you need to do, as long as you're not using this as a professional work truck, which this is not really geared to be a professional work truck. This is more for the sport enthusiast, you know, the guy with a small family who needs a truck, needs to haul stuff around, needs to get mulch from the store, stuff like that. Being as this is the Lariat trim, we've got leather interior, nice Ranger logo embroidered right there on the seat. You can equip these with running boards. Nice leather stitching here. So your mirror controls are right here on the dash instead of traditionally on the door. Take a look at the back seat. There is plenty of room for fair size adults like me. I'm 5'10". This is a comfortable seating position for me driving, and as you can see, I have a decent amount of legroom right here. You also have a 110 volt and 2 USB ports, and a little storage space right up there, as well as map pockets in the back of both seats. Also, you can lift this by pulling that little tab, and you have under seat storage here, along with your tools to change your spare. Up here there's another tab you can pull. And back here, you have your jack, your funnel, and this one is equipped with a B&O sound system, so it has extra speakers and an amplifier there. This one has a push-button start. Right here is your 4-wheel drive dial, as well as your terrain management. Hit that button right there. And you have your terrain modes, which is normal, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, and sand. Also right here, you have other control buttons for your tow haul mode, your hill descent control, turn off your auto start stop, locking rear diff, turn off the parking sensors and traction control off, as well as more USBs and 12 volt ports. Cup holders, and a nice little notch here so you can put in a larger drink. Decent amount of storage. And your glove box. This does have the Sync 3 system with audio, including Sirius radio, climate controls, compare your phone, navigation, your apps here, which you can also connect to Waze and Amazon Alexa now, and your settings. With Ford Pass Connect, you can turn your truck into a hotspot, which is great, you know, if you're out camping, you have the family around, you don't want to use up all your data, you can hook up to the truck. Or if you're on a long ride, got kids with iPads, stuff like that. Sliding glass rear window. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, backup camera with your line of sight guide to hook up your trailer. Auto high beam headlamps. You've got your lane centering right there, lane keeping system. It'll warn you with vibrations on the steering wheel when you're drifting out of your lane. Have all sorts of settings here. My key if you have a teen driver. Over here, change the navigation, your phone settings, and your music. All in all, this is a great little truck. You know, for the guy who has a small family, needs a truck. I mean, there's no better truck than this. It's very comparable with the Tacoma, the Canyon. But all around, it performs better. It's got better tow ratings, better payload ratings, and in my humble opinion, looks a lot better. It also is very peppy. It drives well. But the only way that you can actually feel that and know that is to get behind the wheel yourself. So come on down, Richmond Ford West. Check out our website. Give us a call or come in person and test drive one. Thanks for watching.
You already know.